The Toyota Camry's been subjected to some pleasant ribbing throughout the years just to be what it's dependably been, a well-manufactured, temperate, proficient moderate-sized car engaging an expansive swath of auto purchasing America. Self-distinguished auto devotees may jeer, yet the Camry has generally been all numerous people need in an auto. Having burned through 5 straight days in a 2018 Camry SE, I'm not set up to state that will remain the case. There are sufficient unconventionalities in this current auto's powertrain to give even Camry supporters stop. A few notes first, I drove the SE like a Camry proprietor while I had it, ordinary driving, schlepping kids, 5 over as far as possible, that kind of thing. It's a calm, pleasantly trimmed car with an upscale dash outline and great back legroom. The controlling is great weight and better than average criticism, no dissensions on the brakes, and the suspension appears tuned toward comfort, however with a touch of feel dialed in. Fine, isn't that so? It's even a strong incentive at simply finished $28,000. In any case, at that point there's the transmission, which needs an expulsion. Keep in mind, this is the SE trim, the energetic model, and its horrifying transmission programming proposes the lot will be relatively undrivable. Indeed, the auto appears to upshift to fourth by 20 miles per hour, and any endeavor to quicken is met with a yawn and various downshifts. It resembles guiding a steamship. You need to call down to the motor space for more power. At that point sit tight for the boilers to react. S-mode holds adapts somewhat more and carries on more like a customary transmission, however then it appears to quit upshifting at fourth rigging unless the driver utilizes the move paddles, a really ridiculous adornment on this auto, to set the best apparatus. The outcome, neither mode is sufficient as customized for standard around town driving. Additional startling was the infrequent shiver and, on 2 events, thumps as the transmission was pried from its proficiency sleep. Ordinary or not, these are the sorts of drivability issues that'll send normal Camry purchasers whining to their dealers. Into a main customer production thumping unwavering quality numbers down. Gracious, and the quickening agent pedal makes a vibrating twang sound each time you let off and it smacks against its stop. It sounds like one of those springy entryway stops in the event that you, or your child, has ever flicked one. How did nobody in quality control hear that? It's baffling, and to that end I need to make it consummately obvious that I'm not abhorring on the Camry for wear, similar to some devotee media have been known to do. I was anticipating an impeccably chill end of the week driving a top-notch car that wouldn't require a great deal of thought. That Toyota freaking Camry fizzled at that mission shocks me as much as it does you. I'm only one analyst, however. Go drive the 2018 Camry for yourself and see what you think. You may not see what I'm railing about. In any case, but you deserve to go drive a portion of the better contenders, the exceptional new Honda Accord, rich Kia Optima, and even the Chevrolet Malibu hop instantly to mind, before accepting that since it's a Camry, it's the default best decision.